Good morning, Greg. This is Jim Hansen with Ewald Automotive Group in Oconomowoc, Wisconsin. I wanted to give you a brief walk around this 2012 F450. This belonged to one of the schools in the area. It's got the Boss's V-blade plow, central hydraulics built into it. It is an F450 diesel. Belong to the Greenfield School District. The dump body is in very good shape. Give you a look underneath. As far as look at the tires in front, they're excellent. The body itself looks like it's one that they took inside during the winter time, even though they used it for assaulting. And the body looks like it's in fairly decent condition, not all that much rust for a 5-year-old truck. Plus, of course, it's got a stainless steel Monroe salt spreader on the back. And let me open the vehicle up. We have not lifted a finger on this truck. We haven't cleaned it. We haven't done anything to it in terms of our safety inspection yet. The state of Wisconsin requires that we safety inspect these vehicles thoroughly. Here's your electric brake controller. Here's your auxiliary. This is for your pump, strobe light, and exterior lights. Start it up for you. It only has 19,000 miles on it. I've driven this vehicle. Everything works on it very well. 19,193 miles. My guess is that most of those miles are used plowing with the truck. All right. Auxiliary 1 is for your hydraulic pump. Here's your controller for the plow. You can see that the plow functions properly. Your up, your scoop position. All the hydraulics work beautifully on this truck. And again, we haven't inspected it yet or gone through it. Here's your spinner control. Of course, here's your spreader light. There are strobe lights on the vehicle. I'll turn those on for you. I will lift the body, give you an idea, a little bit better insight underneath the deck to see what it looks like. Can't lift it too much. It's got a spreader back there. All right. Here you go. Surface rust, but nothing's rusted through by any means. This vehicle was well maintained, well taken care of for 2012. Body's in excellent condition. Runs out extremely well. You will not find a better plow truck than what you see here. There's your strobes. There's a flashing light, and on the back it actually has strobes. That's why. On the back. That's your 2-minute walk around. You can see the interior is in really very nice shape. Headliner's intact. And when we're done changing oil and checking it over and safety inspecting it, this will be a perfect truck for somebody. If you have any questions, give me a call. My direct line is 262-354-5304. That is my cell number. Again, my name is Jim Hansen. Give me a call with any questions. Thank you.